Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your business with Amazon FBA, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your business with Amazon FBA, start by understanding the Amazon FBA program. Research the benefits Amazon FBA offers, such as storage, shipping, and customer service. Identify your niche and conduct thorough market research to find profitable products. Analyze your competitors to understand their pricing strategies and customer reviews. Create an Amazon seller account if you haven't already. Decide on your selling plan, individual or professional, based on your business needs. Source your products through reliable suppliers, ensuring quality and price competitiveness. Calculate the total costs involved, including Amazon fees, shipping, and manufacturing. Design an engaging product listing with high-quality images and optimized keywords. Set a competitive price that reflects your product's value while accounting for all expenses. Prepare your products by labeling and packaging them according to Amazon's guidelines. Ship your products to an Amazon fulfillment center, ensuring all guidelines are followed. Enable FBA features in your seller account to start fulfilling orders. Monitor your inventory levels regularly to avoid stockouts and overstock situations. Utilize Amazon's advertising tools to boost visibility and sales of your products. Encourage reviews by delivering excellent customer service and follow-up communication. Analyze sales data and customer feedback to continuously improve your offerings. Stay informed about Amazon policies and fees to adapt your business strategy accordingly. Enhance your brand presence through off-Amazon marketing strategies. Network with other sellers and participate in forums to learn from their experiences. Stay prepared for seasonal changes in demand by adjusting your inventory and promotions accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your business with Amazon FBA and set the foundation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.